Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 17th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're going to start off on the daily time frame. So the daily time frame is definitely still up. Some of the other yen pairs do look like they are trying to make a turn to the downside, but the pound yen has not been able to do that yet. I personally need to see an engulfing move to the downside at least before I would start looking for shorts because the trend is up on the monthly, the trend is up on the weekly, and the trend is up on the daily. So for me personally, I do not try to counter trend trade when the time frames are all telling me to look for longs. I have no idea what's going to happen. I just know that it could just keep on going up. I know that it could possibly make an engulfing move down today like that. If it does an engulfing down, I'll start looking for shorts starting tomorrow. Otherwise, I'll continue to look for longs, and if it just keeps going and going and going, then fine, that's awesome. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, it actually looks like we just ended a correction. I mean, I would actually say this is likely an A. This is one, two, three up for a B. This is probably a wave C right here. This might go back all the way up and retest these highs. And like I said on the higher time frames, there's no reason to think it's over yet. So it could always just keep on going. So until the daily time frame tells me otherwise, I'm definitely waiting patiently for more long opportunities at the end of three-way pullbacks. In my opinion, the strategy right now is to either be long already, waiting for an exit from down here, or the strategy would be to wait patiently for another three-way pullback to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Or maybe even wait for the daily time frame to turn down and then start looking for shorts after the daily time frame confirms that the move is down now. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.